done. Well done, well done. Good. Very good, Mananya. Okay, now the next letter is L. L, lollipop. L. 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 Very good. Sarah, good. Very good, Mailini. Dashwan, good. Vihan, Visha, good. L. Very good. Well done. Kavi Kartika, very good. Well done. L finish. Sukri Gautam, very good. L over. Next is F. 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 Mitra, very good. F. F for fish. Fish. Sukri, Mitra, Sri Ananya, very good. Keshav, good. Dashwan, good. F. Parents, please don't help them. Let them find out. Yeah, Jason, Visha, Sukri, Vihan, Hazel. Very good. Kavi Kartika, well done. Good. F. Finish. Next is M. 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 Come on, M. Type M. M. Very good. Mahilni, Vihan, Jason, Hazel, Visha, Vihan, Mitra.
The mom and the dad make me meals.
Haha, very good, Mahilni. Keshav. Good. Very good. Well done, children. Good children you are all.
Good morning.
Good morning, Maradhyarni. Have you joined in the name Yogambigai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Dashwan, good. Taruneshwar, very good. Finish. Next is O. O, O. O, 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 O. O, 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 O. Very good. Don't press 0, okay? Oh, 0 is also there. Don't confuse with that. Oh, very good. Well done, well done, well done. Mahilni got confused with O and 0, right? Very good. Oh, well done. Next alphabet is P. P. P, 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 P. Search for P. Yeah, Mitra. P, P, not C, ma. Marilini, P. Jason. Taruneshwar. Good. Sukri. Vihan. Visha. P, P. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. P. Do I sound like C? It's P, P. P for parrot. P. Very good, ma. Sara, Hazel, Dashwan. Very good. Kavi Kartika. Why, ma? Vihan G you're sending? I asked you only P.
Sorry,
Oh, okay. Finish everyone. P. Send it fast. Check and send it fast. P. Very good. B and P. Mahini.
She got confused.
What the double doubts you are having, huh? B, P, F, E, huh? Okay, next letter is F. Now let me see what confusion you are going to get. Let me see. F.
F.
F already finished, right?
F.
F we already finished, children. Okay, no need. We'll go with N. N.
N.
N. Here the aeroplane. That N. N. Good. Keshav, Jason, Mitra, Vihan, very good. Kavi Kartika, N. It's not M. Kavi Kartika, N. Sukrit Gautam, Taruneshwar, Dashwan, Sri Ananya, Mahilini, Sara, Hazel. Very good. N ma. Not M. M we finished. Only N. Next is R. See my dog, he ripped the rag. R. Where is R? Very good. R. Good. R. Wow. Very good. Now, Kavi Kartika K, you have done. It's wrong. R. 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 Very good. Vihan, Hazel, Tarneshwar, Jason, Dashwan. Good. R. See, my dog, it ripped the rag. Sarah, very good. Jason. Good boy, Jason. Yes, very good. Next is T. Tennis. T. Very good, Marudwin. Tennis. When I watch the tennis play. Very good, Radhyarni, Vihan, Keshav, Mitra, Taruneshwar, Kavi Kartika, T, Jason. Are they all doing on their own? Parents, are you helping them? Is there anyone helping your child? Yes or no?
Yes.
Who's helping? Your mama is helping you. Very genuine boy you are. Why Jason's mom? I'm going to punish you. Jason, I know you know up to A to Z. Then why are you lying to me, Jason? My junior KG kids will lie? No.
I was going to say no, ma'am. He's wantedly saying yes.
Yeah, I know he identifies all the alphabet, I know. Very good. T, Mama Hilni, still doubt. P and T. Good. Good, very good. End of the session. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. Give high five to mom. High five to mom. Give high five to your dad and mom. Whoever is near you. Yeah. Thank you, parents. Thank you for helping them. Let's start our session, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Very good, children. Well done. Join your hands and close your eyes for Kidzi Anthem. Anyone knows Kidzi Anthem? Anyone can say Kidzi Anthem? Is there anyone who have learned Kidzi Anthem? Sugriv will say what? Okay, Sugriv is going to say Kidzi Anthem. Kidzi Anthem. Yes, Sugriv. What?
You are unique.
No playing while Kidzi Anthem. That is not allowed. Okay, come on, Sugriv. I am hearing. Come on. Kidzi Anthem. You are within me.
You are within me. Sattama. Being my
You are infinite. You are unique. Okay, repeat after me, Sugriv. Sugriv, repeat after ma'am. Come on. Ma'am, kuda sollunga. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might I shall achieve you my potential inside. Thank you, Taruneshwar. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Everyone, unmute yourself and say a big good morning to ma'am. Good morning, Keshav. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Hazel, Radyani, Jason, Mahini, everyone. Good morning. Sara, Tarneshwar, Rudwin, Dashwan, Sri Ananya, Mitra, Vihan, Kavi Kartika, everyone. A big good morning. Okay. Now, children, all of you stand up. Today's warm up activity, you yourself are going to dance. Ma'am is not going to dance today. Okay. I'm not a little bit feeling well. Okay. Shall we start? Is all of you stand up? But I'm going to show you the actions, okay?
Yes. Good.
Run, all of you. Run. Jump and do, children, jump. Run, all of you.
ஓட முடியாதா? நீங்க ஓடணும்.
That's right, do it. Yes, very good. Don't sit down. We'll finish off with our road counting also. Okay, ma'am is going to count from 1 to 20. You are going to jump. Okay, don't sit down. Stand up. Finally, we'll drink some water. Stand up, Tarneshwar. No, don't sit down. All of you stand up. You should jump, children. Okay, ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, Ananya, clear? Yes? Very good. Now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on. Very good, ma Dashwan. Next. Hazel is absent today, va?
Say here,
Where is Hazel?
say here, say here.
Here I am. Okay, I'm marking you, Hazel. Okay. Next.
Lion.
Very good, Jason. Next. Very good, Keshav. Next. Very good, Maradhi. Very good, Maradhiani. Others, please mute yourself, children. Only the person who is seeing the screen should say. Rudvin. Very good, ma Rudvin. Next. What? Very good, Zara. Next. Very good, Mananya. Next. Where are you? Okay. Next. Very good, Mavisha. Next. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Okay. Next. Very good, Ma Marilini. Next. Very good, Mitra. Next. Very good, Taruneshwar. Next. Varsha. Varsha is absent today. Okay. Next. Very good, Bihan. Next. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti is also absent today. Okay. Madhuvanti and Varsha are absent today. All of you take your calendar, children. Come on, let's color today's date. Today's date. Yesterday was 5 and today is 6. Month of July and the day is Tuesday. Tuesday. Above this number 6, if you see, you can see here. Tuesday. Tuesday. Come on, color the date 6. Color it with light colors, children. 6, number 6. Find out number 6 and color it. Very good. Well done. Yeah, good. Mahilini, color, color. Very good, Mitra, good. Finish. Do it fast, children. Today we have the craft also. We have to do the worksheet also. Come on, do it fast. Very good, Hazel. Finish. Very good, Taruneshwar, good. Daily one color you can choose. Whatever color you need, you can choose. Good, very good, Madhashwan. Rudvin, good. Finish. Okay, come on. Keep your calendars back. Number 6, finish coloring.
Ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Mavisha. Okay, now keep your calendars down. Yeah, very good, Sarah. Good.
Okay.
Good, everyone.
Okay.
Okay, keep your calendars down. Now, come on, all of you, sit down.
Tanya, tu apa?
Look at mom. Yeah, look at mom. First, we'll finish the rhyme, okay? Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Mute yourself, everyone. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you a hug and give you kisses when we meet. Okay? And then another rhyme also I'm going to teach you. Before that, I want you to do one thing, children. Now, all of you touch your eyes. All of you touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes like this. And look at mom. Can you see mom? Close your eyes and look at mom. Can you see ma'am? No, right? So what do we do with our eyes? We see, and now open your eyes. Now can you see ma'am? All of you. Now can you see? Yes. What do we see with our eyes? We see with our eyes what is around us. Everything we see with our eyes. When we close our eyes, we cannot see anything. ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. If you close your eyes, you cannot see anything. So, we use our eyes to see what is around us. Now, clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Clap your hands 3 times. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you hear the sound? Can you hear your clap sound? Yes or no? How are you hearing your clap sound? Through your ears. And when mom is playing the song also, warm-up activity song, how are you hearing it? Through your ears. Okay, and then we see through our eyes. ஏதாவது பார்க்கணும்னா you see through your eyes. ஏதாவது கேட்கணும்னா you hear through your ears. Okay, and then when mama is cooking yummy dishes, how will it smell? Wow, biryani, Maggie, wow, cake, yes, yummy dishes and all, chicken, mutton and all. How will you feel? அப்பா நல்ல வாசனை வருது. You say no, so you smell with your nose. Yes, you smell with your nose. Whatever smell it is, even if it is a bad smell or a good smell, you smell with your nose. Okay, and then when you eat, how will you feel? Whether it is spicy, salty, sweety, sour, whatever it is, you taste it with your mouth. Okay, so whatever you eat, you taste with your mouth, you smell with your nose, you see with your eyes, you hear with your ears. Okay, and when your daddy and mommy is pinching you, if they pinch you, what will happen? I want all of your dad or mom, whoever is next to your child, just pinch your child in their cheeks. Yes, little bit louder. How do you feel, children? Appa, daddy, amma, mummy, why are you pinching me? It's paining. So you feel through your skin. Okay, are you feeling it? Yes, it's very painful. No, wow, mine is dad is cheating. So not in this game. He is cheating me. Okay, so it will pain through your skin. Okay, children. So all these are our 5 sense organs. Okay, 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and you touch and feel through your fingers. Okay, whatever is hard, soft and all, we touched it through our fingers in our hands and we sensed it, right? So we feel. Okay, and today's rhyme is: two little eyes to look around, two little ears to hear the sound, one little nose to smell what's sweet, one little mouth that likes to eat. One more time. Two little eyes to look around, two little ears to hear the sound, one little nose to smell what's sweet, one little mouth that likes to eat. Yes, The same way we are going to do the worksheet also. Today's worksheet is Junior KG Day 4 ERP. Come on all of you, take your worksheet. D04 ERP. Come on everyone. D04 ERP.
Hello, ma'am. Madhavanti is here.
Yeah, Madhavanti, now only you joined.
Sorry, ma'am. Internet connection contact பண்ண முடியல.
Okay, நான் present போட்டுறேன் ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Madhavanti, take your worksheet. Worksheet I have presented to you. This will be your worksheet. We are going to circle the organs for whatever activity we are doing. The related organs we are going to circle. Okay. Look at the pictures.
Page number, ma'am. Sorry.
D04.
D04.
Yeah. It will be next to that zero worksheet we did, right?
Okay.
After that zero worksheet, you will have. Today's date, write today's date, children. 6 dash. You all know to write numbers, so you yourself try to write, children, okay? Number 6.
6. Date.
Dash.
6.
7.
6.
Dash. 2121. You yourself try and write, children. Hereafter, one by one, we ourselves should do. Okay?
6. 8.
Mylin is dad, you can mute yourself. Ready, children? All of you write the date on your own. Because we have learned to write numbers till 10, right? Once you have finished, let me know, children. Finish, everyone? Yeah, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Visha. Finish writing date, children. Here, first picture, what the girl is doing here. The girl is, what she's doing? She's having a book in her hand. Enna pandranga the girl? Reading. Yes. How will you read? Can you close your eyes and read a book? Kanna mudikittu padikka mudiyuma? We can't read, right? So you read through your eyes. So circle the eyes. Now the next activity is what the boy is doing. What is he doing? Anyone? Come on. He's having a crayon in his hand. What is he doing? Writing. How will you write? Can you write through your legs? Can you write through your legs? No. You can write only through your hands. Circle. And then the third one. See this girl. She is dancing. What the girl is doing, children? Anyone? What is this girl doing?
Dancing.
Yeah, dancing. How will you dance? You should hear the music and then you should dance. Yes or no? So both the options are right. You hear the music through your ears and you dance using your legs. Okay, so both the options are right only. Next, what this boy is doing? The boy is smelling the flowers, right? How will you smell? The flowers smell very good, right? You smell through your nose. So, circle nose. And then next is the girl. She is going to kick the ball. How is she going to kick the ball? With the help of leg or mouth? Can you kick the ball with your mouth? Yes or no? No, you can kick the ball only with your leg. Very good, Mahilini. You nod your head. Very good. I saw you. Yeah. Now the next, last, and the final one. The boy, he's saying bye to everyone. How is he saying bye? Through his legs or hands? Legs or hands? What option will be the right one?
Hands.
Very good, Keshav. Hands. So circle hands. Okay. Finish. Now the next worksheet is D05 empty. The same, write the date first. Here you have 4 shapes here: circle, rectangle, triangle and square. So related objects you have to match. Okay. Match the shapes to the objects. D05 empty.
D05 empty WS01.
Yeah. Yeah, the picture you can see I have presented. Shapes matching.
Wait, ma'am.
After that A to Z worksheet you have, no? After that you can see. Finish matching.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Did you write today's date, Makesha?
This is this the one? Yeah.
Did you write today's date, Kesha?
இது கேட்டுக்கலாம்.
Ma'am, which page number?
D05 MT WSH01.
Shapes
Right.
matching.
Yeah, shapes matching. 6 dash 7 dash. Everyone try to write today's date, children. Come on. Don't do the worksheet without writing the date. Even if ma'am forgets also, you should write. You should say, ma'am, you forgot to say the date. Yes, now come on, match it, circle. Circle, what will you match, children, for circle?
Wheel.
Wheel, very good, Keshav. Visha, for rectangle, what will you match?
Window.
Window, very good. Vihan, for triangle, what will you match?
Triangle, what did you match? Vishnu.
Yeah, signboard, okay, good. Next, for square, Sarah, what will you match for square? Sarah. Sarah. Sarah is not there.
Sorry. Baby.
Sarah, what will you match for square? What is there?
Foyer.
What? What picture you will match? What is this? Carom board, okay? Square. Carom board you will match. You didn't do your worksheet? You finished your worksheet, Sarah? Show me.
I'm doing.
You are doing it, ah. Okay, good. Come on. Jaldi karo. Jaldi. Next worksheet. Before that worksheet, you will have another shapes worksheet also. That also will finish. Take your crayons, children. Write today's date and take your crayons.
இது பண்ணு. இது கைந்து கூட படிக்கணுமா?
Today's date is 6 dash 7 dash 2121. Yes, ma Kavikartika, what do you want? First, you circle, children. Don't color as it is. First line, you have to color the triangle. So, first you circle the triangles. Okay, circle it and then you color it. Otherwise, you will get doubt and you will color all the shapes. Should not color all the shapes, only the triangle. It is mentioned here. First, circle the triangle. Look at the screen and do if you don't understand. Next one, first finish circling it, children, and then you can color. Next is color the squares. This shape you have to color. So first circle it, circle the square. In a square, all sides are equal. Okay, va? Next is circle. Circle the circle shape. And then you start coloring it. As it is, don't color, children. You will make mistakes in coloring it. Finish circling the picture and then you color. Then only you will know only the circled ones we have to color. First circle பண்ணிடுங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் color பண்ணுங்க. Otherwise you will color all the shapes. First line only the triangles, second line only the squares, and third line only the circles. Kavi Kartika, mute yourself, ma. Any doubts you have?
மேம் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிட்டு கலர் பண்ணுமா மேம் உள்ள?
உள்ள கலர் பண்ணனும்.
ஓகே மேம் ஓகே.
Finish circling, children, everyone. Yeah, color it fast. And finally, we are going to do our mouse activity. Want to do the activity? Color it fast. See here. Color fast. Very good, Hazel.
Ma'am, same color or different color? Ma'am?
Whatever colors they like, they can give.
Rainbow color.
Rainbow.
Oh, rainbow colors, it will take lot of time. We have to do the craft also, no? Finish it fast. Okay, Mylini?
Okay.
Then you draw a separate picture, color it and send it to ma'am. I'll see. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Really?
One more, see the picture, ma'am.
Sorry? I
One
can't
more
see anything. One
அந்த
minute, let me.
picture ஒரு நாள் காமிங்க மேம்.
One minute. நான் ஷேர் பண்ணத சொல்றீங்களா?
அப்படி மேம். ஆமா மேம்.
ஒரு நிமிஷம். Madhuvanti. Yeah, okay, ma. Vihan, very good, ma. Good.
Thank you. இதுல என்ன சம் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க? கலர் தி ஸ்கொயர்ஸ். இந்த 4ல எது ஸ்கொயர்? ஸ்கொயர் எது?
மதுவந்தி அம்மா தெரியுதுங்களா? மதுவந்தி. Children, have you colored the correct one? Look at the screen and check your worksheets. Triangle, what ma'am has circled. Did you color that one? And squares and circles. Madhuvanti.
அது வேணா அது பண்ண கிடையாது. Ma'am, rectangle also we circled and started coloring. Sorry.
Only color the squares is written on top, right?
I didn't see this thing. My fault.
See, all because of you, Mylini is not going to get star. Okay, Mylini, what shall we do? Chicho, what to do? My junior KG child is far better than you. Why did you do this? Very good, Ma Vihan. Well done, Vihan. Who's this? Yeah, 1 minute. Let me be back. 1 minute. Yeah, very good. Well done, Visha. Very good. Vihan, very good. Sukriv Gautam. Yeah, good. Good, Ma Sukriv Gautam. Vihan, good. Hazel, very good, Hazel. Dashwan, very good. Yeah, those are finished. We can start doing the activity. Come on, prepare your materials. Let's start doing our activity. Ananya, good, Ananya. Very good. Keshav, very good. Come on, let's make our mouse. Yes, Ma Keshav. Yes, you have a big triangle, right?
Circle is that thing.
Yeah, do it, do it. Those who are doing it, do it slowly, no issues. Do it.
Color
Mitra finish, Tarneshwar, Radhyarni.
இந்த color.
Yeah, be ready with your big triangle, children. Those who are finished. Sukri Gautam, Vihan, Visha, Hazel. And then Ananya. Be ready with your materials. Big triangle, we said, right? Prepare. Take it in your hand. Be ready with your glue. Taruneshwar didn't finish Amma till now. Still coloring, ah?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Still coloring.
Color first. Jason also. Jason, very good, Jason. Take your triangle, Jason. Big triangle. And then this end you will have, right? This cone shape end. Have to fold it. Have to fold it. Yeah, fold half of this cone shape like this. Fold it. Vihan, your triangle, this point should be sharp. But your triangle is very blunt. Fold it. I told you how to fold. Yes, children. You already did the folding activity, right? Very good, Ma Madhuvanti. Take your triangle and do the activity. Come on. Sugriv Gautam, take your triangle and do the activity. Yeah, very good, Ma Visha. Good. Fold it on your own, children. Yes, we did the activity yesterday also, right? You know how to fold. Paadi abhi madinga. See, half of the triangle, you fold it like this. And then stick 2 ears. You have 2 big circles, right? 2 big circles you have. Take the 2 big circles and stick for the ears.
எனக்கும் தான் வரல.
யாருக்கு வரல? Who's that? Triangle வரலையா? என்ன வரல? Who's that? Jason-ஆ? Jason மம்மாவா?
Yeah, Amma doing. My Amma doing.
Amma doing. Is the craft for you or Amma?
Yeah.
I'm going to punch your nose, see. Naughty boy. Come on, do the activity.
நீ பண்றா.
நீ தான் பண்ணணும். You only should do. First, you fold the cone like this, half of it. Fold the triangle half of this like this. We know how to fold, right? We learned how to fold the paper. And what is the difficulty? Tarnesh, you're laughing. Do the activity. Come on. Close your book. Do the activity. Rudvin, activity பண்ணுங்க Rudvin. மெதுவா பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Fold it, and the second step is stick the ears. Mahirini's dad, you can crease and give it to her, let her fold. Crease பண்ணிட்டு கொடுங்க parents. No problem. பாதி triangle crease பண்ணி கொடுங்க. Half of the triangle, crease it and give it to them. Very good, ma, Visha. Keshav, very good, Keshav. Small rata, very good. And now stick the eyes, Keshav. Come on. We have stick the ears, right? 2 ears we have stick. Now stick 2 eyes.
Nice.
2 eyes stick பண்ணுங்க. Yeah, that's it, Mitra. Come on, stick the ears. Correct. Mitra. Correct only, Kanna. Stick the ears. Ears stick பண்ணுங்க. 2 big circles you have, no? Stick the ears. In one end and other end. You can see. See here. Sukriv is doing, Vihan, where is your activity? Come on, do the activity. Very good, Jason. Now stick the ears, Jason. Ears stick da. Ananya, eyes. Next is eyes. After ears, third one, eyes. Yeah, very good, Ananya. Beautiful. Eyes. Small, small circles, I said, no? 2 eyes. Very good, Dashwan. Eyes. And then a small ball, cotton ball. We use for soft and hard activity, right? Soft cotton we use, no? That small ball you take and stick it in the end of the triangle. The tip of the triangle. In the triangle tip, the cotton ஒட்டிருங்க. Yeah, fine, Dashwan. Very nice. Now come on, stick the cotton. Cotton, cotton. Dashwan, stick cotton, this one. Keshav, stick cotton for the nose. And finally, the whiskers.
Huh?
I love this.
Did you?
It's long.
First step, fold the triangle into half. And then stick 2 ears. Tarneshwar, do it, ma. You didn't prepare the materials, Tarneshwar, amma, materials prepare பண்ணலையா? Tarneshwar, unmute yourself, Tarneshwar. Very good, Visha. Eyes? What is this? Yes, now only you are doing, Achucho, why? See how he is laughing, Tarneshwar, mom. Okay, do it, do it. Take your own time. Do it slowly and take a snap and send it. No issues. No need to hurry up. Do it slowly. See how he is laughing, he's pranking you. Very good, Visha. Good, Visha. Eyes, where is eyes? If you don't have two small circles, no, you can draw eyes in sketch itself. Sketch also you can draw. Very good, Radhyani. Wow, Radhyani finish. Very good, Radhyani. If you have black sketch, no, draw this black eyeball here. If you have a black sketch, draw eyeball or crayons also you can do it. Since your eye is yellow in color. Yes, Visha, show me your rat. Wow. Good. Little big eyes. Very small. Little big. And then finally stick the whiskers, children. Whiskers. Rectangular strips I have mentioned, right? You can stick the whiskers, or else if you have black color woolen thread also you can stick. Small strips you cut and stick. Very nice, Radhyani, Dashran Velan, very good. Sugriv Gautam, and finally the tail. Tail, last tail. If you have a cardboard, at the back of that paper you can stick cardboard, then it will be very stiff. It will not be too flexible. Take a snap along with your child and send it in group, parents. Make your child stand in one place, let them hold the craft. Take a snap of it and send it in group. Those are finished. Sukriv Gautam, your rat is very cute like you. Very nice.
சத்தமா மேம் பார்த்து பேசு.
Oh my God.